Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to increase performance or battery life in BIOS on a Lenovo Yoga Book 9. By going to the BIOS, you can increase your performance or battery life by changing a very simple setting. And to do it, you need to be in the BIOS, which if you don't know how to enter, there's a video on our channel on how to do it. Once that's done, go to configuration and scroll down until you see system performance mode. Here you can set it to intelligent cooling, so this will be something that will automatically adjust either performance or battery saving depending on what you're doing on your laptop. If you put extreme performance, then it will have the extreme performance, and battery saving will improve battery life. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.